Good morning all the students. Today we are going to study two very important topics from the chapter number 1 of chemistry, corrosion and rancidity. Dear students, you must have seen reddish brown colored coating or powder on iron surface over the time, and you must have seen the black coating on silver articles and greenish coating on the copper articles or copper substances. Now you must have wondered, what are these things, what are these layers? So this is nothing but the corrosion. Now what is corrosion? Now listen, corrosion is a process in which metal is attacked by which substances? Attacked by substances around it, like moisture, like acid, like bases. And what these substances do with the metal? They convert it into oxides, and this is how the corrosion takes place. Corrosion is a slow process. In corrosion, always the oxidation of the metal takes place. Yes, corrosion is always an oxidation process of the metal. A very famous example of corrosion is the rusting of iron, black coating on silver, and greenish coating on copper. Now, let us study how corrosion of iron, that is called rusting, takes place. Iron. Iron is tarnished by air, that is oxygen, and moisture. In the presence of moisture, the oxygen metal reacts with iron and converts it into ferric oxide. Now, this is how ferric oxide dot XH2O is formed. This is called hydrated ferric oxide. It is the chemical formula of the rust of iron. Water is necessary. Oxygen is also necessary. If any one of these two substances is absent, corrosion or rusting of iron will not take place. So in order to prevent rusting, we just stop the contact of either air or moisture with the metal surface by varnishing or applying a coating of oil paint on that iron article. This is one way how we can prevent the rusting of iron. One more way of preventing rusting of iron is galvanization. Now what is galvanization? Galvanization is the applying a coating of zinc. Applying a coating of zinc on iron articles is called galvanization. In this way also the iron is prevented from the rusting. Okay. What happens in the corrosion of silver? How the black color appears on the silver article or silver surface? Dear students, it is because of the sulfur or the hydrogen sulfide gas present in the atmosphere. In this way, black colored silver sulfide is formed. This is the corrosion of silver. Now, note this point, we will not call this rusting. This is only corrosion of silver. Rusting is used only for the iron. Same way, copper is also corroded. On copper, the layer of this compound, this substance is coated on the copper articles. Copper carbonate dot CuOH whole, not thrice, it is twice. Cupric hydroxide. बेसिक क्यूप्रिक हाइड्रोक्साइड की लेयर इस पर बन जाती है, क्यूप्रिक कार्बोनेट की लेयर भी हम कह सकते हैं, कॉपर कार्बोनेट की लेयर भी हम इसको कह सकते हैं. सो इन दिस वे रस्टिंग ऑफ कॉपर आल्सो टेक्स प्लेस. दिस इज greenish in color. Now after understanding corrosion, we now come to the next topic. This is rancidity. What is rancidity? You must have observed that when you go in the market and buy a packet of chips, what do you see? You see that there is a lot of air inside it and only a few chips inside it, है ना? यही होता है ना, बहुत ही थोड़े से चिप्स होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा क्या होती है, एयर होती है. कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि हम 10 रुपए के पैकेट में 8 रुपए की हवा खरीद रहे हैं, 2 रुपए के चिप्स खरीद रहे हैं. इजंट इट? ऐसा होता है ना? हाँ ना. बट दिस इज फॉर अ पर्पस. ये जो एयर होती है ये एक पर्पस से होती है. ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस को रोकती है जो कि हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है, उस फूड के लिए हार्मफुल है. नाउ हियर वी आर स्टार्टिंग. व्हाट इज रेंसिडिटी? एज यू ऑल नो दैट चिप्स आर मेड अप ऑफ फैटी फूड. ये फैटी फूड होता है. इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन द ऑयल. सो ऑक्सीजन गैस ऑक्सीडाइजेस दिस फैट. ऑक्सीजन गैस oxidizes this fat or oil, and because of this oxidation the smell and taste become foul. foul मतलब खराब हो जाते हैं, उसकी टेस्ट और उसकी स्मेल खराब हो जाती है. हम अपनी आम जो बोलचाल की भाषा है, जो घर में महिलाएं इस एक शब्द का इस्तेमाल करती हैं. अगर आप कभी अपने फैमिली मेंबर से पूछेगा कि अपनी मम्मी से पूछेगा कि हम तेल की जो स्मेल आती है उसको क्या कहते हैं, तेल के खराब होने की जो स्मेल आती है उसको क्या कहते हैं, दे विल टेल यू इट इज कॉल्ड तिलांध. मैं आपको एक रियल प्रैक्टिकल चीज बता रहा हूं. दिस इज कॉल्ड तिलांध. तेल के खराब होने की जो स्मेल होती है, ऑक्सीडाइज होने की जो स्मेल होती है, इनफैक्ट रैंसिडिटी की जो स्मेल होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड तिलांध एंड इट इज कॉल्ड रैंसिडिटी इन साइंटिफिक टर्म्स. सो व्हेन फैट एंड ऑयल्स आर ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, their smell and taste becomes foul and they are called rancid. This process is called rancidity. Now what are the ways how can we prevent this rancidity? So by using antioxidants. Antioxidants are some chemicals which slow down the process of oxidation by oxygen. They are called antioxidants. Why are they called antioxidants? Because they are opposing the oxidation process. They are that is benzoic hydroxy butylated hydroxy toluene और एक आध और होते हैं. There are some natural antioxidants also. Okay, one more important antioxidant, that is nitrogen gas. How nitrogen gas is applied? तो सुनिएगा. In the chips packet the oxygen gas is replaced by nitrogen gas. When the chips packets are sealed, oxygen gas is replaced by the nitrogen gas and then the chips packet is sealed. What does the nitrogen do? It replaces oxygen, so automatically the process of oxidation becomes slow. And nitrogen is an inert gas. nitrogen एक non reactive gas होती है, इस वजह से ये ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं करती है और ना ही करने में हेल्प करती है. सो इन दिस वे द शेल्फ लाइफ of that oily food becomes larger, like 6 months or 12 months. So in this way the rancidity process becomes slow. Again, we cannot eliminate it totally, we can only slow it down. In the same way the corrosion is also the process which cannot be eliminated entirely, we can only slow down the process of corrosion. So in this way we have completed these two very important topics, corrosion and rancidity. I hope all the concepts related to these two topics are very clear to you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.